Hello guys, welcome back to another quick and easy recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a great chicken coconut curry. You interested? Please keep on watching. Cooking made easy. Alright guys, here is an overview of all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. We have coconut milk. We have chicken that I have already cleaned and cut. We have onions and bell peppers. We also have some curry powder and turmeric. To begin, we are going to season the chicken using the organic meat seasoning from Le Bourgogne Seasoning. I am going to be using the mild meat seasoning. If you don't have this meat seasoning in your pantry, don't worry, you can always do this recipe. Just use the seasoning that you have at your disposal. Now we are going to add 2 full tablespoons of the organic mild meat seasoning and we are going to mix it well. After we mix the seasoning, we're just going to put a lid on and allow the meat to season for a good 20-30 minutes. If you are crunching for time, you can start cooking right away. Now that our chicken have fully seasoned, we are going to begin cooking. We have heated up some oil in the pan. Now we are going to cook the chicken. When you are cooking the chicken, make sure you keep flipping it side so you can make sure that the chicken is cooked evenly. And when you no longer see pink, you will know that the chicken is ready. I know I am using this organic meat seasoning which has tomato paste in it, but no worry, even when you are using this seasoning, you can still see when the chicken is ready. Now that our chicken is ready, we are going to add our onion and bell peppers and we are going to mix it well until the onion and peppers get tender. After our onion and bell peppers are into a consistency that we like, we are going to add some turmeric powder and then we are going to be adding a generous amount of the curry powder. And then we are going to mix it well. At this point, you're going to see that the chicken is turning into a paste. When the water from the chicken is slightly reduced, now we are going to add the coconut milk. After you add the coconut milk, allow it to simmer on medium heat for 15 minutes. While it is simmering, the water is gonna be reduced and the sauce is gonna start getting thicker. Now while the sauce is still simmering, I removed the lid and added some seasoning salt. Now we are going to give it a light stir and then put the lid back on and allow it to simmer for an additional 10 minutes. As you can see, the sauce has lightly thickened because most of the water have started to reduce. And we are going to serve a chicken coconut curry with some white jasmine rice. Now that the sauce is done simmering, we are going to turn off the heat and begin plating. And here is a final result of our recipe. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to put together. I did not show how to make the rice. However, to make white rice, it is very easy. It is 2 pots of water, 1 pot of rice, meaning 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. And guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe because I post new recipe weekly. If you make this recipe, comment below. Let me know what you add and let me know what you'll do differently. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your support. I really hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Cooking made easy.